Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you're always healthy and spirited today because we will visit a tourist attraction in Sumedang. I'm Nadya Maulida Gumelar. I'm a tour guide accompanying you today. So welcome in Sumedang. I'll be with you for the next few hours. We will visit a tourist attraction in Sumedang to Saung Sapatapaan, Kampung Toga, and the last, the factory Tahu Palasari.
But before that, we have to always adhere to healthy protocol. The first, namely by wearing a mask. Okay. And second, washing hand. And the last, keeping a distancing. Okay, let's go. Alright, now we have arrived at Saung Sapatapaan, which is located in Chitanga, Chisoka. We can see here is still very natural and the trees are green. Come on, while walking I will tell you about Saung Sapatapaan, okay? Saung Sapatapaan started in 2016 and finished in 2017. Provides Sundanese characteristics from traditional Sundanese clothing, Sundanese traditional house, and Sundanese traditional furniture. So, the founder of Saung Sapatapaan has a goal to introduce Sundanese custom to the wider community. Later, we can immediately wear Sundanese traditional clothes. For men, cloth it is called salontreng. For women, cloth it is called kebaya. Well, I will give time to take picture and be able to enjoy Saung Sapatapaan. After that, we will continue our journey to Kampung Toga. We have now arrived at Kampung Toga. Were you satisfied at Saung Sapatapaan? I hope you are satisfied. But if you are not satisfied, I will invite all of you to swim in Kampung Toga. So welcome in Kampung Toga. Here there are facilities, there is swimming pool and a restaurant. So for those of you who want to swim, you can follow my direction later. And those who not swim can wait in the place that has been provided. Okay, for those of you who want to swim can follow me. While walking, I will tell you a little about Kampung Toga. You can also while looking at the scenery in Kampung Toga. So this is one of the tourist attraction that is quite popular in Sumedang. especially when the New Year celebration here is very crowded with visitors. I will remind you to be careful. If you need help, you can call me. I give 1 hour to swim because we have to meet again at the restaurant for lunch. After that, we will continue our journey to Factory Tahu Palasari. We'll take picture in Saung Sapatapaan and swim in Kampung Toga. Now we have arrived again at the Factory Tahu Palasari. We are here to see how the process of making tahu Sumedang, and you can test tahu Palasari right away. For your information, tahu Palasari has been developing long enough so that its name is very popular among the Sumedang people. Even the former president of Indonesia, Mr. Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono, and his wife come to Factory Tahu Palasari to complete the process of making tahu Sumedang. For those of you who are looking for a souvenir, you can buy tahu Palasari as souvenir. Okay, because this is our last trip in Sumedang City, I thank you for your appreciation. Thank you for your time. And hopefully we can meet again. And see you next time.